EV and hybrid drives, laser power systems, ruggedized power converters, and other high-power applications require connectors that can maintain their high performance levels in extreme environments. Amphenol Aerospace High Power 5015 connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, use advanced contact technology to provide 40 to 50% higher current capability than standard 5015 contacts, with over 25 tooled insert arrangements enabling up to 1000 amps per connector. The connectors are offered with threaded and bayonet couplings, as well as epoxy backfilled options for increased environmental performance. RADSOK contacts use a hyperbolic socket contact that provides excellent vibration performance, low contact resistance, and high mating cycle durability. Temper-Grip sockets use a stainless steel napkin ring to maintain contact area at high temperatures where other contacts relax, resulting in performance degradation. Both are gold-plated and offered with multiple termination methods to suit various application requirements.